Okay, this problem says, consider the process for steam in a cylinder shown below. Suppose the change in the internal energy in the process is 300 kilojoules. Find the heat entering the system. Okay, so delta E is Q minus W. Okay, so for this process, the work done is this area. Okay, they tell you the change in internal energy. They give you this. We can calculate the work from this diagram, which is the area under the curve. So Q would be delta E plus W. That's how much heat you've absorbed. Okay. So Q is delta E plus W. Delta E is given, we just have to calculate W. And W is that area. Okay, so now to calculate W, that area, you can break the area into area of the triangle and area of the rectangle. Okay. So work is A1 plus A2. So work is area of the triangle is 1/2 base times height. Plus A2 is all right. 1/2 base is 12 minus 5 liters, and each liter is 10 minus 3 meter cubed. Height is 20. The height of the triangle is 30 atmospheres, and each atmosphere is 10 to the power 5 Newton meter square. Plus, again, the base of that rectangle is that many liters, 10 minus 3 meter cubed, and height of that rectangle is 20 atmospheres, which is that many. Okay, we have to convert everything into SI units. So this is, okay, so let's take care of powers of 10. This is 10 to the 5 minus 10 minus 3, that's 100. So that is 700 times 30. Okay, so 1/2 times 700 times 30 plus 700 times 20, and that's in joules. Okay, the units are Newton. Meter cube times meter square is divided by meter square is meter. Newton meter is a joule. Okay, so that's the unit. So 700 times 15 is 7,000 times 10,500 plus 14,000. All right, so I guess I'm running out of room. I'll write. So work done is 24,500 joules. So the amount of heat added is delta E plus W equal to 24.5 kilojoules. The heat added was 30 kilojoules plus 24.5 kilojoules. Okay, so what we have found is, so this is a steam engine probably. As the steam expanded in the engine doing work, this much heat was added. 55 kilojoules of heat was added. 54.5 kilojoules. Okay. All right. Any questions before we stop this thing? You can